I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. This puts you directly at the adapters. Once there, locate the active adapter, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and click Properties to reach IP settings. Make sure to note any existing DNS addresses so you can revert if needed. You're performing these steps now because changing the wrong adapter won't affect your connection. Proceed only on the adapter carrying your traffic to set private DNS correctly. Once the adapter properties are open, edit IP settings and switch DNS assignment to manual so you can enter addresses. Choose IP4 or IP6 depending on your provider. Then type the private DNS server IP into the preferred field and put an alternate if you have one, because redundancy avoids outages. Save the changes and restart the adapter, or briefly toggle airplane mode, to force Windows to apply the new DNS. This sequence ensures your system queries the private server instead of public resolvers. You finish by verifying the change. Open Command Prompt and run enslookup or ping to confirm responses come from your private DNS server IP. If resolution fails, revert to the original addresses you noted earlier and flush the DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtons to remove stale entries. Also make sure a local firewall, VPN, or DNS over HTTPS setting isn't intercepting queries. Disable those briefly to test. If problems persist, restart the PC and recheck settings to isolate the source of the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.